talent, but only in resources and innovative capabilities.
I hope that this event will be a great opportunity to work together and explore innovation.
On the early stage ng production pa lang, already address yung mga potential problem. In that way, makakasave ka ng time sa development mo and yung troubleshooting will be minimal.
Discuss is very relevant in our side, which is normally what we are doing in our manufacturing company, which is dissemination, evaluation, verification, comes for this event of licensing.
As sharing yung technical capabilities, knowledge sa ibang industry, alam din na manage yung product.
Remember, if you need design, analysis, testing, and development, you can count on licensing.